Hello world, this is RandomFix, and in this video today I'm going to share with you how you can go ahead and estimate vehicle repairs for free, and you're going to save hours by not having to call random shops asking for an estimate. And I'm also going to share with you guys how you're going to be able to go ahead and get parts for relatively cheap, and this is free, simple, and there's even an app, so stay tuned. Hello world, this is RandomFix, and in today's video we're going to be discussing how to go ahead and estimate vehicle repairs. I cannot tell you how many calls I've gotten over the years when I was in the automotive business from customers asking me if I knew somebody that would give them a good deal on changing their timing belt on their vehicle because they were at their mechanic or they were somewhere and the person told them they needed a new timing belt. However, that vehicle didn't have a timing belt, so not all vehicles have timing belts, some have chains. So in this video today I'm going to share with you guys what I use whenever I want to figure out a quick estimate for a repair that my vehicle needs. And the nice thing about this is you can do this on your phone. There's an app as well, and it's free to use, so you can go ahead and price out a repair, see if you're getting a good deal, and maybe shop around a little bit because you know what the price range is roughly. Alright, so we've went ahead and typed in repairpal.com on our computer here, and as I said, there is an app. So when you come here, what you do is you go ahead and type in your zip code. This is where I happen to live in Concord, California, and now what it's going to do is just going to go ahead and show you a few shops that actually subscribe to their service, and you want to go ahead and click on where it says get estimate, and it knows your location from what we typed in. And in this case I'm going to go ahead and change this to, let's just say, a 2011 Toyota Land Cruiser, and we can go ahead and type in timing chain tensioner replacement. And one thing you'll notice is whenever you go type something in, if you try typing in timing belt, it doesn't actually give you that option. So I'll show you that right now. And just to show you guys here on this example, I went ahead and selected a 2003 Lexus ES300, and this vehicle actually has a timing belt, so it'll let you know that the vehicle is equipped with a belt because the service will be there. So choose the service, and what happens now is it gives you roughly a breakdown of what it's going to cost you for the parts and for the labor, and gives you a price range. So this is really helpful because now you can go out there and shop for certain things such as the parts if you want to. So I can go now and see if I can maybe get a kit. So now I can go ahead and shop out there for parts that are supposed to represent 43% of the cost of this repair. Now that I know what the price of the parts should be, I can go out there and I can actually shop for the parts. And some vehicle service facilities will actually let you bring the part in and they'll do the labor. And so what you can do is you can go ahead and save quite a bit of money on the actual parts. And now that if you're getting those parts for cheaper costs, you don't have to pay the tax on the higher number as well. And one other thing to consider is a lot of the service facilities, if you take them apart, they will not go ahead and warranty the part or sometimes even the work. So keep that in mind. I did this at the service shop I ran. If the customer came in and they had a part, they wanted me to install it, I would do it, but there's no warranty on any of the work because if the part failed, I couldn't be responsible because I didn't know where they got the part from. So keep that in mind when you're electing to do that. But you can definitely save some money. If you're stuck on the road somewhere and you want to make sure you're not getting gouged, this is really helpful. And I'm going to show you guys how to quickly go out there and find some parts in case you do want to do this. So I'm going to head over to eBay really quick and show you what I do. Okay, so I'm on eBay here, and I went ahead and typed in here 2003 Lexus ES300 timing belt kit. And when I hit enter here, and you can see I can get a complete kit here for less than $100, and they have quite a few of them. And before, where I was told that this 43% here was represented by the cost of the parts, let's do some quick math to see how accurate that was. So now we're going to take 883 times 0.43, and before I was spending roughly at least $370 on parts plus tax. Now I'm able to go ahead and get that part with everything included. And you want to make sure that whenever you're doing a repair, you always want to get the kit. So if you're replacing a clutch, you don't want to just replace a clutch. You want to replace the clutch, the throwout bearings, anything else that is near that component that can potentially fail as well. You're already there, and labor is going to take up a bulk of the expense. So go ahead and get all the parts that you really need for that particular repair. And so now we know what this costs roughly. Hey guys, really quick, if you're enjoying this video and this video is helpful and it's giving you guys some value, I would really appreciate it if you guys would go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also check out some of the other videos. I know the name of the channel is RANDOMFIX. I really do keep this random for you guys, so that way we're not being pigeonholed into learning only about one thing. As you guys can check out the channel here, I cover anything from credit down to fixing your refrigerator to being able to buy authentic gold, and I try to keep it interesting, and I really do hope you guys are enjoying this, and I would sincerely appreciate a thumbs up if I'm doing a good job, and also hit the subscribe button if you guys want to keep in touch with the channel and help me spread the message of helping people being able to do things themselves, save some money, and keep passing on the knowledge that we've gained over our careers in different businesses. Thank you guys. And in this example, let's just say I wasn't able to go ahead and get a good price on that timing belt kit. What I can do is come over here and go to the actual part. If I only had one choice, I'm going to click on this part right here, and we can see this part is way overpriced. But we're going to go ahead and come down here, and you're going to scroll down a little tiny bit, and right where it says manufacturer's part, go ahead and copy that and grab the part number. And when you grab the part number, you may be able to go ahead and drop that into Amazon. It might pick up on it. Again, you're looking for part numbers that are a little bit more compatible with other systems. So we really didn't get a good part number hit on that, but let me show you guys in this example right here that these are all the part numbers right here. And so these are the interchange part numbers, and these are the cross-reference. You want to go ahead and try out the different ones, see what you're able to find. And here we go. I actually was able to go ahead and find some parts here. I got them on Amazon for $105. Here I have some other ones with $120 price. And the rule of thumb here is normally Amazon's about 10% more. And now I'm going to show you guys my secret whenever I want to do a car repair and I want to get the best prices on the parts. You're going to head on over to Rock Auto. If you guys have never tried Rock Auto is super great. The only issue I have with Rock Auto is you got to pay for shipping. However, the prices are so good that kind of makes sense. And their catalog here for parts is pretty accurate, and you can actually cross-reference the part numbers here, drop them into eBay, and see what you get there. So we're going to go ahead and find that Lexus that we were looking for earlier, and it was a 2003. It was the ES300, and now we can go ahead and type in what we want. And we have a timing belt kit right here. And check it out, guys. Look, we have a whole menu of different grades of timing belt kits. So we have an economy version. We have a standard replacements. And we also have some of these premium ones right here. And if you wanted to go ahead and order it, you could just go ahead and add it to cart. However, if you guys notice on the left-hand side, we have all these beautiful part numbers here. So these part numbers are easily copied, and you could come over here and copy them and grab them out of here, paste them back into eBay, and look on eBay. We have, here's one that we can actually use for $71 with free shipping. So it gets better and better. Just spend a few minutes, shop around, get the best price you can on the best part, and then once you get that, you can go ahead and do some more shopping on mechanics that can possibly do the work for you. And it's that easy. So now you know how to go ahead and get parts for your vehicle, pretty inexpensive as well. And maybe you feel somewhat brave, you want to go ahead and do it yourself. There's lots of videos. When I started working around cars, guys, I can't tell you how much I use YouTube, because sometimes for repairs, I was told that it was a 6-hour job to go ahead and do the axle on an Audi, and I ended up finding some genius in another country, and he was able to go ahead and do that repair in less than an hour just because he found a shortcut. So never doubt yourself, always believe in yourself, and whenever possible, try to go ahead and see if you're getting a fair price. It keeps everybody in that space responsible and making sure that they're not overcharging you because they think you don't know any better. You're a man, woman, younger, older. You want to go ahead and make sure you protect yourself. So always try to use RepairPal just to go ahead and get an idea on what the price range should be before you go ahead and agree to any repairs. I hope the video was helpful, and if you guys have any questions, please comment down below. And I would love to hear from you guys on any repair stories that you guys have, where you guys ended up getting gouged for that repair, or you ran into a great mechanic, because there's a lot of great mechanics out there as well. I want to hear those. So please leave those down in the comment box below, and have a fantastic day. And if you guys are new to the channel, guys, I would really appreciate it if you guys would go ahead and hit the subscribe button right here. So that way when I post any videos that are aimed to save you time and money, that way you guys will get notified. And go ahead and smash on the notification button as well. Thanks.